What's going on, everybody? It's Riley here from Tech Tyro. I'm bringing you another illustration or Illustrator tutorial. Right now I'm using a file that I made about 2 years ago, just randomly, but I wanted to touch on stamps. With stamps here, they're kind of a backlog save of different Illustrator raw files, and a couple handy ones I like to use are the grime packs and the halftone packs, and just give it kind of like a little zest instead of getting raw files off the internet. They're kind of just here at your fingertips, and when you use them, as you click different symbols, it saves it to your last used symbol library here, and spray bottle here is what drops them for you. When you use these guys, it's pretty handy that you can edit the symbol as well. So if you don't like the way the symbol looks, or it looks good but you can change it, just click under here and go under the edit selection mode, drag it around, do your thing. You can even add tweaks to the points, and around here with your pen tool, change how it looks, pull things apart, do whatever, be creative. But be aware that when you do make those edits, it saves it in real time to your library there, so just be careful about, I don't know, messing it up too much. If you like the old look of it, or you're going to use it at a different time, just Control Z and it's back to normal. So yeah, with these guys too, you can change the color of them as much as you want. That's just the stroke. Under the edit here, you have this guy, giver color, not that one. I'll pull it to the main, and yeah, so now it looks like a mustard stain. Anyway, like I said, edits it and changes and saves it in real time. With colors and stuff, that's pretty easy to switch back. Bam, bam. I want this guy to be black. Black. Alright. Yeah, so that's back to normal. Another awesome way to edit things in the direct select layer, kind of the isolation mode, that just gets out. Another fancy way to do it is with text. I do this a lot for logos and any design schemes. If I have a font that looks kind of close and I want to tweak it to looking like something else, I usually edit it in Illustrator and then I pull it to like a poster in Photoshop. But here we'll just put Tech Tyro, and I normally cycle through all my fonts, see which ones I like the most, run through here. Let's go with that guy. So we've got our Tech Tyro, and you can, under the Object tab here, expand it, fill it out, and now it brings it to all its points. So you can edit, tweak it as much as you want. Give some flair to the O. I don't know. Let's go ahead and just make that a whole Tech Tyro O. Yeah. So with this, they're already grouped together. I'm going to use my entire select. And to take that apart, if you hit Control Shift G, they're now ungrouped. If you direct select it, it goes into the compound here. But if I left that as a group under the direct select layer, now the whole group is in this subcategory, but you can still edit it individually. It just keeps it together in one layer if you think about levels. So in the background, we've got green background, Control Shift left bracket. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Left bracket. It's in the background. You can tell that now it's in a different layer because everything gets faded out. And yeah, so play around with it. Use different fonts that like kind of appeal to your nature, and play with them, save them, change them around. Best way to get good practice on logo work. And if you guys want to try doing some of your Tectiro derivatives with this technique, feel free to send them in our ways, and we might even post some pictures of it, of some fan renditions of our Tectiro logo. Anyways, that's all for me. Thanks for tuning into Tectiro, and I say this every time, feel free to send us a note here or there if you're wondering how to make something on Tectiro. We can always look into doing up a tutorial for it, and then everybody will know. Ask questions, go to your heart's desire. But anyways, yeah, it's Riley here, and tune in next time for my next tutorial.